Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling iCloud photos and confirming you have enough iCloud space. This ensures all originals are available. Next, go to Apple Data and Privacy and request a transfer to Google Photos. This hands the files to Apple for packaging. Once done, you'll receive an email with progress updates. Make sure your Google account has enough storage and that you're signed into the correct account before Apple starts moving files. Once the transfer is initiated, you monitor the Apple emails and the transfer status page. This prevents surprises and lets you react if Apple encounters issues. Make sure Google Photos shows receiving activity. If it's paused, check Google account permissions and storage. You should also compare photo and video counts and inspect a few files for quality and metadata. This step proves the transfer succeeded and flags any missing items immediately. To finish, confirm all media appears in Google Photos and enable backup and sync so new items flow automatically. If you spot gaps, manually download remaining photos from iCloud. Com and upload them to Google Photos. This guarantees completeness. If problems persist, re-request the transfer or contact Apple or Google support. Provide timestamps and counts. A key troubleshooting tip: check both account storage quotas and permission prompts, because most transfer failures come from insufficient space or denied access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.